Good day, everybody. Happy Tuesday to you. Back at work on the rig today. And one of the other unsightly aspects of the rig was the waterproofing around the coach battery compartment here. And as you can see, it gets plenty of ventilation for air, and it was overdone here with the sealer, so I'm going to try to remove that and really get this cleaned up today, as well as this. And what are you doing today?
Well, what I'll be doing today is we're going inside of the coach. There's some Luan material wood at the bottom wood base for the floor. Some of that has to be removed, and some old carpet. We're going to start working on getting that removed today, and then probably by tomorrow start working on disassembling the kitchen area here.
Yeah, okay.
Yep.
Yeah, tomorrow's going to be decoration day here, but you know, we'll keep moving forward. So got my work here, and later I'll show you guys the finished other side on the where the generator door. This has a inner of looks like a silicone, so I'm not going to break the seal on here, but you can see it's a real job getting this overcoating off of here. It's going to be a real challenge to get this all cleaned up. So yeah, you're clearing out the van now.
Yep.
So, okay, good deal. This is one of these situations where it's tough sledding. You want to explain that, Marshall, down there?
These two things here are the stanchions that came with the coach, where you put the tables at, and they're screwed to the floor, and this was a hard time getting them out, but they should come out, so you can make a nice flat surface here for a floor.
You can see how badly they've degraded on here, so
right,
that's going to be a tough job to get them out, I imagine. We shall see. All right, a lot of these screws are rusted in because of moisture, so we have to go to the old Demolition special. Welcome to the world of Demolition, Marshall. Go for it.
Let's start taking this floor out with this crowbar. Yep. And just let's try it up.
Then we'll go back and get the capture the heads with the vice grip and remove them.
It'll come out.
Here, hold that for a minute.
Yep. You want to go ahead and demonstrate that to them? It'll just come out piece by piece like that.
Yep. That's the way we'll do it.
That's what I'm going to suggest to her or Rosie, and it's the easiest way of taking it out.
That's the only way we're going to be able to take it.
Right.
We have to be careful not to destroy ventilators and other things. Attack it from the front.
I don't want to break it.
Have to be careful the ventilator there.
We're taking this floor out carefully here. I don't want to damage this vent here, so
try to, yeah. Okay, well,
so we're trying to get this floor out surely but steadily here.
Yeah.
So this
we'll have to check that. All right, I found the best way to get screws that are rusted is remove the top material by just breaking it off, and then come through with vice grips.
Right out with a hammer.
You want a hammer because there's screw holes there. You could tear the metal or distort the metal. That's the easy way to get them out. Been a big workout today, huh?
Oh yeah.
Removing all this.
We're ripping out here.
Yep.
I'm all the way up by the fridge. We've got this to take out here, and we'll be pretty much done. I got to remove some of this carpet on Luan here, but we got about half of it out here.
Okay, yeah, and we need to some of the paneling is rotted here, and will have to be replaced.
All this paneling needs to be replaced because it's damaged by water. The frame is okay.
Yeah, frame is good.
It's in good shape. You can see it from the inside here.
Yep.
But this paneling needs to be all removed, and new paneling. That board needs to be removed.
Some of the
That's water
rusted out
damage.
screws we're removing here. So yeah, there'll be some rebuilding that'll have to be done in there. So, all right, well,
All right.
all right.
All right, Rosie, what are we doing?
Well, we're gonna try to get these stanchion holder, these flange plates out for the stanchions for the kitchen table. And as you can see, they're in terrible shape here. There is no way to remove these screws.
Yeah.
So they're just going to have to be drilled out, and that's what I'm doing right now.
All right.
So
Just working on almost removing all the stanchions.
had to actually go ahead and destroy the metal plate. Was rotten anyway. There was no way to get the screws out, no way to really drill them out.
Right.
Hardened drywall screws. So okay, I'm going to go ahead and start removing the heads here, and that's a major accomplishment to get that removed.
That was a big job. I put a hole in the floor for both stanchions. I couldn't believe it.
Yeah, so okay, there it is.
There it is.
Keep going. It took a lot of bull work to bust up those stanchions and get them removed. Most of the flooring has now been removed, and probably the just the cabinetry will be repaneled here. And I think that'll look pretty good. I have to check for water damage down below. Water intrusion. This panel this panel up here is pretty much destroyed. That's going to have to be replaced, that panel. So, all right. Okay, the everything's all been sweeped out. Most of the Luan has been cut back to underneath of the cabinetry here. And I'm now going to seal these two stanchion holes here and put some sheet metal over top of them. And Marshall, in the back there, you've got the jungle room bed is...
Yeah, the jungle room bed is ready to come out.
Okay.
I'm ready to inspect and see what we're going to do down here. So that's ready to come out.
All right. As the subflooring is down here, I need to be extra careful that the heads of the screws are down within the channel, so I'm floating a level over top of that to make sure that that's going to be good from the ribs, and it's looking good. Okay. Sure, you got the jungle room bed out and everything here. There's a lot of room back here.
As you can see, there's a lot of room
There
back here. And I'll walk in here to show you guys. It's a lot bigger than you think. So
there's a lot of room here.
There's a lot of room here for a bed, obviously, and lots of room, especially if we build a bed frame properly. These can be pushed back to allow maximum width. There's a lot of room here. So,
well, there's pushed back to a point.
Right, exactly.
Because
and,
there's ribbing behind there. That's important.
See, this is just the furnace right here.
Yeah.
We rerouted that vent right there.
All right, so we could basically have almost all the floor demoed. Just a matter of cleaning up and removing screw heads now. So
exactly. Everything.
All right.
This is where the black tank was at. Yeah.
Yep. All right, Marshall. Cleaning up the wood back there. Another intense day of labor here. I finished up sealing the stanchion holes here. I've beat that metal into form to conform with the ribs along here. And as you can see back here, it has opened up a lot of space back here with removal of the jungle room, all the bedding, the frame back here. So it's going to be it's going to have a nice new bed area. I guess we're going to frame something in here. I'm not sure yet, but that was a lot of work today to do. That, to get that all opened up and cleaned out. And for those of you who asked, there is the generator all cut in with the with the butyl tape and all cleaned up around it. I think it looks really fantastic there. Mounted on the side, looks very factory, so pretty happy with that. Anyway, thanks for being along today, guys.
Dirty here.
Oh yeah, all day.
Clean up.
All day.
This is a demolition of Lisa Marie. We got rid of all the old wood here. I'm getting my hands dirty here.
Pile it on. There we go.
And hey, for all you people that say I don't get my hands dirty, I got my hands dirty today. I broke a sweat just like Rosie. Believe me, we're getting it done here at the Rancho. So
there we go.
Took part of the demolition work of the.
Well, you took the flooring out. I didn't. So
yep.
There you go.
All right, guys.
All right.